This ordinary kitchen spoon, often overlooked, performs incredible repair feats far beyond its culinary purpose. You can effortlessly transform this everyday utensil into a powerful, versatile tool for dozens of common household dilemmas. Most people underestimate the sheer resourcefulness hidden within simple objects lying around their homes. We often rush to buy specialized gadgets when a common item already possesses the perfect design for the task. Understanding these surprising alternative uses unlocks a new level of self-sufficiency and practical problem-solving ability. Imagine saving valuable time and money by avoiding trips to the hardware store for minor issues. Your kitchen drawer holds an unsuspected hero, capable of tackling frustrating fixes with surprising ease and efficiency. Learning these clever tricks empowers you to handle small repairs instantly, preventing them from escalating into bigger problems. This ingenuity encourages a more sustainable approach, reducing waste by repurposing existing items instead of buying new ones. The humble spoon, with its unique shape and sturdy build, offers an ergonomic advantage for various tricky situations. Its curved head and robust handle provide leverage, precision, and surprising strength for unexpected repair challenges. Prepare to see this everyday item in an entirely new light, as an indispensable part of your DIY arsenal. One classic application involves prying open stubborn paint can lids without damaging the container or your fingers. Simply insert the spoon's tip under the lid's edge, then gently lever upwards using the handle for optimal force distribution. This method offers superior control compared to screwdrivers, preventing unsightly dents in the metal rim. For smoothing fresh caulk lines around bathtubs or windows, a spoon's convex back creates a perfectly uniform bead. Run the back of the spoon along the wet caulk, applying gentle, consistent pressure for a professional, clean finish. But that's not the strangest part of its utility. It can even assist with minor plumbing issues. If your garbage disposal jams, carefully use the spoon's handle as a makeshift hex wrench to turn the motor's bottom reset opening. The handle's flat end fits precisely into the disposal's central hole, rotating the impellers and clearing obstructions. This quick intervention often revives a sluggish disposal, saving you from calling a costly professional plumber. Wait until you hear how it tackles stripped screws, a common frustration for many home improvers. For partially stripped Phillips head screws, wedge the spoon's handle tightly into the screw head for added grip. The added surface area and leverage from the spoon handle can often provide enough torque to loosen the stubborn fastener. Alternatively, for completely stripped screws, carefully tap the spoon's edge around the screw head to create a new purchase point. This slight deformation helps a screwdriver bite into the damaged head, allowing for successful removal without specialized tools. And then something unexpected happened with small metal dents on appliances or car body panels. With a small dent, you can gently tap the spoon's convex back around the dent's edges to gradually push it out. For larger dents, apply pressure from the opposite side while carefully levering the spoon around the affected area. This technique requires patience and a light touch, slowly coaxing the metal back into its original shape. The spoon's smooth, rounded surface prevents further scratching or marring of the delicate metal finish. Moving to finer tasks, a spoon excels at shaping and sculpting soft materials like wood filler or epoxy putty. The scoop provides an ideal contouring tool, allowing you to smooth out imperfections and create seamless transitions. Its edge also works wonderfully for scraping away excess material from tight corners or intricate designs. Think of it like a miniature trowel, perfectly sized for detailed work where larger tools prove too cumbersome. Even cleaning tight crevices or retrieving small dropped items becomes effortlessly manageable with a spoon. The spoon's bowl acts as a precise scooping device, reaching into narrow gaps to collect dust or small debris. Its sturdy yet flexible nature makes it ideal for carefully dislodging particles without causing damage to surfaces. These ingenious applications showcase the spoon's incredible adaptability, far beyond its intended culinary purpose. It truly transforms into a multifunctional instrument, ready to tackle an array of common household frustrations. The versatility means less clutter in your toolbox and more immediate solutions at your fingertips. Its simple design is precisely what makes it so effective for such a diverse range of repair scenarios. Mastering these spoon-based repairs cultivates a profound sense of resourcefulness and self-reliance within any homeowner. You gain the confidence to approach minor household issues without immediately resorting to expensive professional help. This knowledge significantly reduces household expenses, saving money typically spent on specialized tools or repair services. Furthermore, embracing DIY solutions contributes positively to environmental sustainability by extending product life cycles. Repairing items instead of replacing them lessens waste heading to landfills, promoting a more eco-conscious lifestyle. The satisfaction derived from successfully fixing something yourself with a simple spoon provides an immense emotional payoff. This empowering feeling encourages you to explore other clever uses for everyday objects, fostering creative problem-solving skills. Your perspective shifts, recognizing potential solutions in the most unexpected places around your living space. Imagine the convenience of grabbing an immediate fix from your kitchen drawer instead of waiting for a delivery. These quick, accessible repairs prevent small problems from growing into costly, time-consuming household disasters. It streamlines home maintenance, making tasks feel less daunting and more like achievable, satisfying challenges. The spoon becomes a symbol of intelligent, practical ingenuity, reminding us that often the best solutions are the simplest. This approach promotes a mindset of preparedness, ensuring you are equipped for common mishaps without panic. Ultimately, integrating these simple spoon techniques into your routine enhances both your home's functionality and your personal skill set. It transforms you from a passive consumer into an active, capable manager of your living environment. The humble spoon truly exemplifies the incredible power of ingenuity and resourcefulness found within ordinary household items. Unlocking these simple repair secrets empowers you to tackle common home fixes with surprising ease and effectiveness. Subscribe for more incredible tips and mind-blowing DIY hacks, and share your own clever spoon uses in the comments below.